Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel How to Make Money Top 10 Videos. We're going to talk about a lucrative way to monetize your social media presence, hosting paid webinars and classes. Whether you're a business owner, educator, or influencer, this is a great way to share your expertise and earn some extra cash. So, let's dive in. Number 1. Choose your topic and target audience. The first step to hosting successful paid webinars and classes is to choose a topic that you're passionate about and that will appeal to your target audience. Ask yourself, what are people interested in learning from me? What problems can I solve for them? Once you have a topic in mind, narrow down your target audience so that you can tailor your content specifically to their needs. Number 2. Select the right platform. Once you've defined your topic and target audience, it's time to select the right platform to host your webinars and classes on. There are a variety of social media platforms that offer live streaming capabilities, including Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Consider the features of each platform and choose one that aligns with your goals and target audience. When it comes to hosting paid webinars and classes on social media, selecting the right platform is crucial. Each platform has its own features and capabilities that can impact the success of your event. For example, some platforms may allow for more interactive features like polls and Q&A sessions, while others may have better audience reach or easier monetization options. Therefore, it's important to carefully evaluate the features of each platform and consider which ones align with your goals and target audience. Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube are popular options that offer live streaming capabilities, but there are also other platforms like Zoom, Webinar Jam, and GoToWebinar that are specifically designed for webinars and classes. It's also important to consider the technical requirements of each platform and ensure that your equipment and internet connection are suitable for hosting a live event. Some platforms may require specific software or hardware, while others may have bandwidth limitations that could impact the quality of your stream. Ultimately, selecting the right platform can help you reach your target audience and deliver a successful event that meets your goals and objectives. Number 3. Plan your content and delivery. The success of your paid webinars and classes depends on your ability to deliver high-quality content that engages your audience. Start by planning out your content in advance, using slides or visuals to illustrate your points. Make sure to practice your delivery and timing beforehand so that you can confidently deliver your material during the live stream. Planning your content and delivery is crucial to the success of your paid webinars and classes. This involves deciding on the topic of your class or webinar and planning out the structure of your presentation. You should also consider the delivery method, whether it will be a live stream or pre-recorded content. It's important to create high-quality content that will engage your audience and add value to their lives. Plan out your content in advance and use visuals or slides to illustrate your points. Make sure your content is relevant and informative, and avoid using jargon or overly technical terms that may be difficult for your audience to understand. Number 4. Price your webinars and classes appropriately. When it comes to pricing your webinars and classes, it's important to strike a balance between affordability for your target audience and profitability for yourself. Research what similar courses or workshops are priced at, and consider the value of your expertise and content. Don't be afraid to experiment with different price points and see what works best. Setting the right price for your webinars and classes is crucial in order to attract attendees and make a profit. You want to make sure that your price is reasonable and affordable for your target audience, while also ensuring that you are able to cover your costs and make a profit. One way to determine a suitable price for your webinars and classes is to research what similar courses or workshops are priced at. This will give you an idea of what your audience is willing to pay for this type of content. In addition, consider the value of your expertise and content. If you are an established expert in your field and offering unique insights, you may be able to charge a higher price for your webinars and classes. On the other hand, if you are just starting out, you may need to price your content more affordably in order to attract attendees and build your reputation. Number 5. Promote your webinars and classes. In order to attract attendees and maximize your revenue, you'll need to promote your webinars and classes effectively. Utilize your existing social media channels and email lists to reach your target audience, and consider paid advertising if your budget allows. Don't forget to highlight the value and benefits of attending your webinars or classes in your promotional content. Number 6. Engage with your attendees during the live stream. Make sure to engage with your attendees and encourage them to participate in the discussion. This will create a sense of community and increase the value of your content. Consider using a chat function to answer questions in real time, and leave time at the end for Q&A. Number 7. Follow up with attendees after the live stream. Don't forget to follow up with your attendees to thank them for attending and provide them with any additional resources or information. Consider offering them a discount on your next webinar or class as a thank you for their support. Number 8. Analyze your results and make adjustments. Like any marketing strategy, it's important to analyze your results and make adjustments as needed. Keep track of attendance rates, feedback, and revenue generated, and adjust your content and promotional efforts accordingly. Number 9. Continuously improve your content, analyze feedback from attendees, and adjust your content accordingly. Consider adding new topics, improving visuals or technical aspects, and expanding the scope of your offerings. Number 10. Record your content. Record your webinar or class and offer it as a replay for those who missed it or want to review the content. This also allows you to repurpose the content in the future. Recording your webinar or class and offering it as a replay is a great way to maximize the value of your content and reach a larger audience. By doing so, you're not only providing an opportunity for those who missed the live event to catch up, but also creating a valuable asset that you can use in the future. Having a recorded version of your webinar or class can allow you to repurpose the content for other marketing efforts, such as creating a course or workshop. It also means that you can continue to generate revenue from the content long after the live event has ended. Additionally, offering a replay can be a selling point for those who may be hesitant to attend a live event due to scheduling conflicts. Knowing that they'll be able to access the content at a later time can make them more likely to sign up for the event in the first place. And there you have it, folks! Hosting paid webinars and classes on social media can be a lucrative and rewarding way to share your knowledge and earn some extra cash. As always, if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below.